So, have you just washed your car and you're looking for something to enhance that gloss after that fresh wax you put on a little while ago? In today's video, I have just the product coming up. Hi, my name is Mike with Spitshine Detailing. I do product reviews, demonstrations, and how-to videos on auto care and auto detailing. In this video, we're going to go over the Chemical Guys After Wash, which is a shining agent as you dry. So basically, we're going to go take a car out, we're going to get a good wash on it. Afterwards, we're going to spray this on, wipe it in as we dry. We're going to see how good of a gloss it leaves. So now I'm going to test the Chemical Guys After Wash, and what this does is it's a drying agent, so it's kind of hydrophobic where it's going to help take the water off. Also, it's going to leave a nice glossy look. A couple weeks ago I jet sealed my vehicle, so this is going to help bring out that gloss. So all you do is you spray it, rub it off, and I'm using a microfiber towel, a waffle weave one to be exact. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, as you can see, nice and dry, and it has a nice gloss to it. You can probably see the whole reflection of the tripod and camera. Alright, so as you can tell in the video, this did a great job as far as leaving that nice glass look to the car. I put sealant on it about 2 weeks ago, and so I wanted to use this to see if I could really bring back that wet look on my vehicle. And I gotta say, it did a great job. It was very hydrophobic, which is basically just getting that water to run off, and it did an excellent job as far as drying my vehicle. So with that, I'm gonna put links in the description below. If you like what you see, you wanna buy some, I have links to Amazon and where else you can find it. Also, if you like these videos and you wanna see more reviews, how-tos, and demos, please subscribe. That way you're notified anytime I put something else up here. And with that, I'll see you next time.